Hey guys, so for so many months I struggled with my credit score here in the UK. I mean, over a year. My credit score just was stuck to a particular number, and it was a fair credit score, and I was able to boost this from a fair credit score to a good credit score, and now I've got an excellent credit score of 971 out of 999. Yeah, I've not gotten to the perfect score yet, but I've been able to get some strategies I implemented that boosted my credit score from being a fair credit score to an excellent credit score. And I'll be sharing with you guys some of those things I did differently in this video. So if you think this will interest you, don't go anywhere, keep watching till the end. And if you haven't clicked on the red subscribe button, please do click on the subscribe button to join the amazing growing family. And my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for being here. So without further ado, let's get right into it. If you are currently living in the UK or you're planning to move to the UK, having a good credit score, it's something that you need to prioritize, because there are certain things you wouldn't have access to without a good credit score. And for those that believe in the UK, many people would agree with the fact that you need to have access to some credit facilities, because you might not necessarily need to pay for some things in cash. So having a good credit score will help you gain access to some of those credit facilities, and it's something that you should prioritize. If I'm coming to the UK as a student, or you're coming on a skilled worker visa, then you should have intention on building your credit score here in the UK, because you definitely just need to have it. And for me, I really was interested in getting things on credit. As a matter of fact, when I first came to the UK, a lot of my friends were buying things, were buying phones, were buying a lot of gadgets on credit. But being my kind of person, I work in the bank back in Nigeria. I understood how loan operates, so I brought that mentality into the UK, and that affected me in a lot of ways. My credit score was stuck to a particular number for over a year, and when I was buying my phone, I bought an iPhone, I bought a new MacBook laptop. I paid outrightly for all of those things. I thought I was doing myself a lot of favor. However, I never knew I was doing myself a lot of disservice, because buying things outrightly does not help you in any way here in the UK. So even if you have the cash with you, you should ensure that you try as much as possible to do like a payment plan, have a direct debit on your account to help you build your credit score. So I said some of the things I had to do differently to help boost my credit score here in the UK. So the first thing is that you need to have a credit card. Now, having a credit card is very, very important. And for those who don't know, credit card is just a facility that helps you have some cash with you that you can use to purchase or make payment for anything, and you're required to pay back at a particular period or at a particular time. So having a credit card is very important, and for me, I would always recommend you open an account with American Express. American Express is a credit provider that gives you access to credits, as the word credit means. So you have access to certain amount of money that you can spend, even though it's not yours, but you get to pay back after a while. So you can go to the description of this video to use my referral code to open an account with American Express. Some people get as high as £8,000. You have access to £8,000 that's not yours, that you can spend and return back at a later period. So go to the link in the description of this video and open an account with American Express using my referral link. And if you're using my referral link, you're going to get some bonus after you complete the process. You also get a credit card that can use to make payments, and this is something that really helped me in boosting my credit score. Now, before I opened my American Express account, I had a fair credit score, a little bit above 800 over 999, which is the excellent credit score. And the moment I opened my account, my account with American Express, it boosted my credit score because I got a limit. So before I got American Express, I had one credit card that they gave me just £200, and the limit was so low, so it affected my credit score. And the moment I got American Express, they gave me over £4,000, and my credit score boosted immediately to good from fair. So having a credit card, not just necessarily American Express, but if you use my link in the description below, you get access to some other bonuses aside from the amount you get from American Express. And also, your credit score limits also affect your credit score. So for someone that has credit limit of, let's say for instance, for me now, I had £200 till about 3 months ago, and the moment I was able to get higher credit limits, it also increased my credit score. Another thing you need to do to help boost your credit score is to register as a voter in your local vicinity. Now, this is something that also helped my credit score, that boosted it to excellent. So I had to, when I moved to a new environment, I contacted the local council. You can also do this on gov.uk to open an account that shows that you are a voter in that particular vicinity. Now for me, when I opened my account, it wasn't reflecting on my my credit score. I had to get a letter from my local council, send it to the credit score provider, and they were able to verify the information, and that also increased my credit score a lot. So if you're living in an environment, ensure that you are also a voter in that particular vicinity. Now, another thing that affects people's credit score is opening excess number of accounts. So for me, should I say, I won't use the word victim, I would say I'm a corporate in this particular area. I have loads of accounts ranging from Revolut, Lloyds, and so many accounts, and this affected my credit score a lot of ways. So if you open too many accounts, it affects and reduces your credit score. So that's one thing you need to put in mind. Now, another way for you to boost your credit score, which I did, was to purchase products using Klarna and ClearPay. Yes, those are things that you need to know. So if you don't have a Klarna account, you can also go to the description of this video and use my referral link to open a Klarna account. Now basically what Klarna does is that if you're buying any product, and let's say for instance the product is for £500, you can spread the cost across 3 months. So instead of paying £500 outrightly, then you're able to spread the cost like 3 months, and you end up paying like £150 or £160 every month for the space of 3 months. And the good thing is, I really don't know why I was actually do myself a lot of disservice by buying most of those my gadgets outrightly. Even the camera I'm using to shoot this video, I bought it from Sony, almost £1,000. I just bought it outrightly without financing it, and it's really ridiculous because you don't pay extra cost if you decide to finance some of those things. So for instance, if I decide to, okay, I had the option of doing like 12 months finance for this camera, but without any extra cost, but I decided to pay outrightly for some weird reason anyway. So ensure that you buy things through Klarna, through ClearPay, so you'll be able to spread your cost across a particular period. That also help you build your credit score. Now, another thing that you need to do if you're looking at building your credit score in the United Kingdom is to ensure you have your direct debit set up in your account. Now, when I moved to a new apartment, or to my new apartment, I was thinking of just going on their website and making payments for things like my water bill, my council tax, electricity bill, and many others. And I was advised by a friend that that was a bad idea. Instead of me going every month to their account or to their website to make payments, why not just set a direct debit? And the truth is, when I did this, I think I've got about 7 to 8 direct debits in my account every month for my rent and other bills that comes with living in the UK, for those who know. And having a direct debit on my account also helped me boost my credit score to the excellent score it is today. So guys, make sure that you have direct debit on your account for every of your other bills. So these are some of the things I did differently that was able to help me build my credit score from a fair credit score to an excellent credit score. So if you also did one or two things that help build your credit score, please share with us in the comment section. I also want to learn also, because I need to build my credit score from 971 down to the perfect 991 score, so that you have access to credit facility like mortgage, car loans, and many other things like that. So I hope you find this video resourceful. If you do, please click on the like button, and you can also click on the red subscribe button to join the amazing growing family, so you get updated whenever I post or upload a new video on this channel. And if you've been watching my video and you haven't clicked on subscribe button, I don't know what you're waiting for, please do. And my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you for being here. I really do appreciate you guys. So this will be the end of this video, and I'll see you guys definitely in my next video. Thank you.